Hello girls, my name is Anna. In this video we will transform man's hand and we will be working with a nail drill and of course a nail drill bits. I am sure the result will surprise you. Let's get started! The procedure is carried out exactly the same as with female hand, but we work much more carefully. After we remove the cuticle, we move on to polishing. For this, I use a silicone curved bar. First working dry and then making the same movements with the addition of oil. We finish our procedure with a moisturizing cream massage. Take a look at the result. It's just beautiful. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss new video. Bye bye!